burnslim is being advertised aggressively online, often presented as part of what appears to be a 60 Minutes documentary. The ads use news-style visuals, dramatic narration, and recognizable branding to create the impression of a legitimate investigative report. Some versions even imply involvement from well-known media figures like Anderson Cooper. This review breaks down what burnslim actually is, how it's being marketed, and why these ads raise serious red flags. burnslim is promoted as a weight loss supplement, claiming to trigger rapid fat burning through a so-called 6-second gelatin trick. According to the ads, users can burn fat at rest, reset hormones, suppress appetite, and outperform prescription weight loss injections without diet or exercise. These claims are not supported by credible medical evidence. The biggest concern is the fake documentary presentation. There is no real 60 Minutes investigation backing burnslim. CBS News and the 60 Minutes program have no connection to this product. The branding, visuals, and news-style format are used purely to manufacture trust. This is a known scam tactic designed to lower skepticism by mimicking investigative journalism. Another major red flag is the implied endorsement of Dr. Jennifer Ashton. burnslim ads strongly suggest she supports or recommends the product. That is false. Dr. Ashton has publicly warned that she does not endorse burnslim or any gelatin-based weight loss supplement, and that many of these ads use fabricated quotes, AI-generated visuals, and misleading claims to deceive viewers. From a scientific standpoint, burnslim does not hold up. The product provides no published clinical trials, no peer-reviewed studies, and no independent research proving its effectiveness. Claims of effortless, rapid fat loss without lifestyle changes contradict how human metabolism actually works and are commonly used in weight loss scams. The regulatory language used in the ads is also misleading. References to FDA-approved, FDA-registered, or GMP certified are meant to imply legitimacy. The FDA does not approve dietary supplements for weight loss, and facility registration, or GMP compliance, only relates to manufacturing standards, not safety or effectiveness. The sales funnel itself follows a familiar scam pattern. Fake urgency, countdown timers, steep discounts, and emotional testimonials that cannot be verified are heavily used. Many of the before and after photos, customer reviews, and even doctors shown in the ads appear fabricated or AI-generated. burnslim has also been rebranded and sold under different names over time, with numerous reports of no results and, in some cases, unauthorized charges. Based on available information, burnslim is not backed by real documentaries, real journalists, or real medical professionals. The 60 Minutes angle, the association with Anderson Cooper, and the implied medical endorsements are manufactured for marketing purposes. This is a rebranded supplement promoted through deception, fake authority, and exaggerated claims, and consumers should approach it with extreme caution.